flying. Just flying.
Hey guys, so this is my bird plane here, and this is how it's looking so far. I got the tail on, just kind of glued it in between the feathers, and that's going to be my elevator, and then I've got aileron, so I think that'll be enough controls, and it still looks like great, like a bird. So, it's not perfectly, see I've got a weight on the back of it, because feet are behind the center of gravity, which is right here, right now. So I got it all centered at gravity out. I got it all balanced out, and the battery is way up here in the head. Got a little attachment piece there. So I'm gonna take a look at the electronics here real quick. So I'll put some wood here for strength, and you can see inside there it like holds, I don't know, it's like gonna hold it in under the perfect angles. The wood's a little bit too big, but it'll work. Inside there I've got my receiver, a big ESC, 60 amp Hobby King ESC, and then it leads up to my EDF. My electric ducted fans. So there's the EDF right there, and then there's the servos, and I've got aileron, and there's a head. But that's about it. So I think I'm gonna go try it today, and we'll see how it goes. So let's go out into the field, and let's go see if it works. Hey Birdie, you good back there? Auto's correct. Okay, so this is my bird plane here. We're gonna try it. This is flight number 1. This plane is different than the other ones because I actually didn't have plans for this plane. They weren't airplane plans for this plane. It's a really cool plane and it looks like a bird. So I think it'll look sweet in the sky. So we're gonna go see if it'll fly. So let's get it up there and see if it'll work. Ready? Okay. Birdie!
What? Your birdie's dead.
Birdie, you okay? I'm sorry I crashed you. Okay. What can we do to do this? Propulsion's an EDF motor. It's an electric ducted fan, and I've never used electric ducted fan before. So I've still got to figure that out too. It's got plenty of. Go. Okay, so this is the flight for today. I guess the bird's not completely flying today. You see it was a little bit of problems, so I'm gonna have to see if I can get them resolved. So you have to watch the next video for a flight. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video. Bye.
Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty